Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of using chemical-laden hair products that promise the world but deliver nothing? Well, today we're going to explore the world of DIY hair masks that will transform your locks into healthy, beautiful hair. From avocado to green tea, we've got 10 amazing masks to share with you. So let's get started. Mask 1: Avocado and Banana Hair Mask. Our first mask is a classic combination of avocado and banana. This mask is perfect for dry, damaged hair as it provides intense moisture and nourishment. Ingredients: 1. Ripe avocado. 2. Ripe banana. 3. Spoon of olive oil. 4. Spoon of honey. Apply the mask to your hair, cover with a shower cap, and leave on for 30 minutes before rinsing. And that's it. This mask is so easy to make and it leaves your hair feeling soft, silky, and totally transformed. Mask 2: Coconut oil and honey hair mask. Our next mask is a simple yet effective combination of coconut oil and honey. This mask is perfect for hair that's prone to dryness and frizz. Ingredients: 1. 2 spoons of coconut oil. 2. 1 spoon of honey. 3. Leave on for 30 minutes. This mask is amazing for locking in moisture and leaving your hair feeling smooth and silky. Mask 3: Cucumber and mint hair mask. Our next mask is a refreshing combination of cucumber and mint. This mask is perfect for hair that's prone to oiliness and dandruff. Ingredients: 1 cucumber, a cup of mint leaves, a spoon of olive oil. Apply the mask to your hair and leave on for 30 minutes before rinsing. This mask is amazing for cooling and calming the scalp, and it leaves your hair feeling fresh and clean. Mask 4: Egg white and olive oil hair mask. Our next mask is a protein-packed combination of egg white and olive oil. This mask is perfect for hair that's prone to breakage and damage. Ingredients: 1 egg white. 2 a spoon of olive oil. This mask is amazing for strengthening and repairing damaged hair, and it leaves your hair feeling strong and resilient. Mask 5: Banana and yogurt hair mask. Our next mask is a creamy combination of banana and yogurt. This mask is perfect for hair that's prone to dryness and frizz. Ingredients: 1. 1 ripe banana. 2. Half cup of yogurt. Apply the mask to your hair and leave on for 30 minutes before rinsing. This mask is amazing for moisturizing and nourishing dry hair, and it leaves your hair feeling soft and silky. Mask 6: Apple cider vinegar hair mask. Our next mask is a natural and effective combination of apple cider vinegar. This mask is perfect for hair that's prone to dandruff and itchiness. Ingredients: a cup of apple vinegar, 1 cup of water. Apply the mask to your hair and leave on for 30 minutes. Here are the next 4 DIY hair mask recipes. Mask 7: Aloe vera and coconut oil mask. Our next mask is a soothing combination of aloe vera and coconut oil. This mask is perfect for hair that's prone to dryness and damage. Ingredients: 1 2 spoons of aloe gel. 2 2 spoons of coconut oil. This mask is amazing for calming and moisturizing dry hair, and it leaves your hair feeling soft and silky. Mask 8: Oatmeal and honey hair mask. Our next mask is a nourishing combination of oatmeal and honey. This mask is perfect for hair that's prone to dryness and itchiness. Ingredients: 1. 2 spoons of oats. 2. 1 spoon of honey. This mask is amazing for soothing and moisturizing dry hair, and it leaves your hair feeling soft and manageable. Mask 9. Strawberry and Yogurt Hair Mask. Our next mask is a fruity combination of strawberry and yogurt. This mask is perfect for hair that's prone to dryness and frizz. Ingredients: 0.1. 1 cup of strawberries. 2. Half a cup of yogurt. This mask is amazing for moisturizing and nourishing dry hair, and it leaves your hair feeling soft and silky. Mask 10. Green tea and coconut oil hair mask. Our final mask is a refreshing combination of green tea and coconut oil. This mask is perfect for hair that's prone to oiliness and dandruff. Ingredients: 0.1. 1 green tea bag. 2. 2 spoons of oil. Apply the mask to your hair and leave on for 30 minutes before rinsing. This mask is amazing for calming and balancing oily hair, and it leaves your hair feeling clean and refreshed. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed these 10 DIY hair mask recipes. Remember to always do a patch test before trying any new hair mask, and to shampoo and condition your hair after rinsing out the mask. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty and hair care content.